Environment pollution. The environment is a precious resource that we all share, and it is vital that we take care of it. Unfortunately, pollution has become a significant issue worldwide, and it is causing significant harm to our environment. Pollution can take many forms, including air, water, and land pollution. In this essay, we will examine the causes and effects of pollution and explore what we can do to address this problem. Air pollution is one of the most significant forms of pollution, and it is caused by a variety of factors, including industrial emissions, transportation, and the burning of fossil fuels. The effects of air pollution can be severe and include respiratory problems, cardiovascular disease, and even cancer. Additionally, air pollution contributes to climate change, which is having a significant impact on our planet. Water pollution is another significant form of pollution that is caused by a variety of factors, including industrial and agricultural runoff, untreated sewage, and marine litter. The effects of water pollution can be devastating, and it can lead to the destruction of aquatic ecosystems, the loss of biodiversity, and the spread of waterborne diseases. Furthermore, water pollution can also have an impact on human health, and it has been linked to cancer, birth defects, and other health problems. Land pollution is caused by a variety of factors, including industrial waste, mining activities, and improper disposal of hazardous waste. The effects of land pollution can be severe and include soil degradation, loss of biodiversity, and contamination of groundwater. Additionally, land pollution can also have an impact on human health, and it has been linked to respiratory problems, cancer, and other health issues. The effects of pollution are far-reaching and can have a significant impact on our planet. Pollution contributes to climate change, which is causing rising temperatures, sea level rise, and extreme weather events. Climate change is also having a significant impact on ecosystems, and it is leading to the extinction of many plant and animal species. To address the problem of pollution, we must take action at both the individual and societal level. At the individual level, we can all take steps to reduce our impact on the environment. For example, we can reduce our use of single-use plastics, conserve water, and reduce our energy consumption. Additionally, we can also choose to use public transportation, carpool, or ride a bike instead of driving alone. At the societal level, there are many steps that can be taken to reduce pollution. Governments can implement policies and regulations to limit emissions from industrial sources and transportation. For example, they can impose emissions standards on cars and trucks, require the use of renewable energy, and promote sustainable land use practices. Additionally, businesses can also play a role in reducing pollution by implementing sustainable practices and reducing their use of hazardous chemicals. In conclusion, pollution is a significant problem that is having a significant impact on our environment and our health. Air, water, and land pollution are all contributing to climate change, the loss of biodiversity, and a wide range of health problems. However, by taking action at both the individual and societal level, we can work to reduce our impact on the environment and protect our planet for future generations. We must all work together to address this problem and take steps to ensure a sustainable future for all. Thank you for watching. If you want more new videos, like, comment and subscribe or follow in this channel. Don't forget to share with your friends.